How to make money on ySense. Now this video is going to be a complete step-by-step tutorial. I'm going to show you everything you need to know, including how this website works, how much money you can make, and how you can start making money on ySense as soon as today. So if you are interested in making money online and making money with ySense, then keep watching, as this is going to be the most valuable video you ever watch. You can see I am right here on ySense.com, and this says earn extra cash online. ySense is a global community with multiple earning options. Join now and start earning with paid online surveys, cash offer, and more. So they offer paid surveys right here, so earn cash for taking free paid surveys. That's a bit of an oxymoron there, that doesn't really make sense, free paid surveys. However, what they mean is these surveys are free to take, and they pay you money. A little bit confusing the way they worded that there. However, they go on to say, while influencing the next generation of products, services, and more. The second is cash offers, so get paid for trying new products and services, downloading apps, signing up for websites, watching videos, and more. So once again, very awesome, and some very simple ways to get paid. So I could definitely put a link down in the description to ySense, make a bunch of money off this from everybody who goes through and tries this for themselves. However, I think it kind of takes away from the legitimacy of my review. If I was just to go say, yes, everybody sign up to my link so I can make a bunch of money, I don't really like to be financially incentivized by the website that I review in my videos, because I don't know, it just seems a little bit scammy to me. So all we need to do is go here where it says sign up for free and start earning, and of course we are going to sign up for an account. So you just want to enter in your email and create a password right here. And we just want to go through and enter in some details. And you're all set. Thanks for updating your details. And as you can now see, guys, we should be taken through to this menu where it says we care about your privacy. So we just want to agree to all of this and then continue. And then right here, guys, you will be able to see we are taken through to this area, and this is where we can go ahead and start taking surveys and everything like this. So let's first check out these surveys right here. And the first thing that we need to do is actually unlock these surveys. So we will get paid 25 cents for unlocking these surveys. And then from here, we get 60 cents, $3.25, $3.26, $4.50. And you can see for each of these surveys how long they take. So you just want to go through in here, guys, and you want to go ahead and unlock these surveys. So it's just going to ask you a few questions right here. You enter all of these in, when were you born, and all of this good stuff. And effectively, and what this is going to do is this is just going to check your parameters, check who you are and what sort of categories you fit into, and then it is going to customize these secondary surveys to fit your needs. For example, if you are a farmer living in Texas, they are not going to give you a survey fit for a businessman in New York. It just doesn't really make sense, and they aren't going to get the answers they are looking for. So they use this survey to get a general feel for who you are, and then they will tailor these other surveys to you. Now, another one right here is your survey profile. So you can earn 2 cents for every 10 questions. So you literally just go through here, guys, enter in this information, and after 10 questions right here, you will get paid 2 cents. Just like that, we have just been paid 2 cents. And if we go to my account summary, I know it said 0 there, but you can see that we now have a lifetime total of 2 cents. So that is very simple right there. Of course, it's not going to pay a lot of money, but if you answer these questions and build up your profile survey to a point where it's actually at a decent level and you have answered a lot of questions, then they are going to give you even more surveys as they know more about you. Now, another thing that you can do right here is a daily poll. So you get a guaranteed reward of 1 cent. Not very much at all, but it literally just asks you, how do you receive bills? So we will go for electronically. And just like that, guys, we just earned 1 cent. So we can see that although these don't pay a lot of money straight up, I mean, some of these do up here, like $3.26, $4.50. But these very simple ones right here, just as I said, build up your profile so that you have access to even more of these high paying surveys. Now that is the survey section. We can then move on to offers, and this is where things get kind of crazy and you can make a lot of money. Like this is this is where the big boys are playing on this website. You can see right here that you have probably heard of Tidal right here. I'm pretty sure it's owned by Beyonce or Jay-Z. I'm not sure about this anyway. anyway, you can see that all you have to do is literally sign up to this website and you will earn $5. We also have this right here, Snoop. Install the app and connect your bank accounts to earn $4. Install and earn 20 cents on Las Vegas Casino, $45. Instantly boost your credit score, so you can boost your credit score instantly for completely free. And if you go through and do this, you will earn $7.50. Now, you guys might be thinking, wow, this is absolutely crazy, and you would be absolutely correct. Some of these are absolutely incredible. Some of these are a little bit on the dangerous side, guys. Like, I really wouldn't recommend, if you are prone to getting addicted to things, don't do these gambling offers, because you can see right here, you can sign up for Gala Bingo, deposit and play at least £5, and you will get paid $25 for signing up. Now, that is awesome, right? You go out of pocket £5, which is around about $7. So you go out of pocket $7 and you make back $25. And then on top of that, you've also got the potential chance to make money from the $5 you gambled. In my opinion, guys, still not a good idea. Unless you are really sure about gambling and the fact that you are safe to play with this, I just wanted to put that warning out there. Now, going down further than this, you can see that we have HelloFresh right here. 50% off your first HelloFresh box and $8 back. Pretty incredible right there. $1.50 for downloading this brain test, and you can see that this just keeps on going. Now, if you thought that this was a lot of offers here, guys, just wait till you see this, because this is only the ySense offer. We then have Wanna ads. And look at this, you can see that King of Prizes, cash and gifts, Amazon Prime voucher. Now, these definitely don't pay as much right here. We have like 21 cents, 150 cents. This is just for the offers though. We can also do surveys on Wanna ads, routers, which are a little bit like surveys. Well, these are basically all surveys. And then we also have mobile apps that pay a little bit more. So there's $3, $2.23, $2.50, and you can see that there is absolutely no shortage of these. We can literally just complete the tasks. If you get bored of one section and you want to move on to another, or you basically want to see what these other offers have in store, you can literally just move along this top area right here and just keep on doing these offers. Because as you guys will notice, each of these areas right here and each of these things along the top offer very different sections and very different ways to make money. For example, you can earn 43 cents right here for literally installing the Opera browser. Now, I already have this, but for literally installing a browser to get paid 43 cents, that sounds pretty incredible to me. So you can see that we just go along, and these are pretty much all like similar levels. They just have different offers that you can go ahead and do. So I'm not going to spend a bunch of time explaining all of these. I'm pretty sure you guys are starting to get the idea, but then we can move on to affiliates. Now, this is what I mentioned at the start, guys. This is a very nice affiliate program where you can earn up to 30% of recurring commissions of everything your referrals make. So if you refer somebody and they sign up through your link right here, let's imagine that they make $100 with this website. You are going to then get paid $30, and you literally don't have to do anything. You could literally just send them this link. You don't even have to do anything on the website yourself, and you literally just earn money from what they earn. Now, that is just with one person. Imagine you had 2, 3, 10, 20, 30, even 100 people signed up under you, and they were all making money every single day. You can turn this right here into a very nice stream of passive income. Now, I would be lying if I said to you guys that I wasn't very tempted to put an affiliate link underneath this video. But as I said, I just think it makes it a little bit sneaky, and it would make my review of this website not so reliable, as I would be financially incentivized to give them a good review. So what I would recommend you guys to do though is come over to this affiliate section, copy your referral link right here and send this to your friends. And then if you would like to show your friends how this website works and why they should sign up, literally just send them this video, and in this video everything will be explained to them. So that is another awesome way that you can make money with this website, and that is through the affiliate program. Now, you can see your stats right here, like how many people you have referred, how much money you have made, and everything like that. And then the final area that I want to talk to you guys about is how you can actually cash your money out. So if we come over to this rewards area, you can see we have rewards like Amazon, Cafe Nero, JCPenney, Starbucks, Skrill, Tesco, PayPal, MasterCard, Payoneer, all of these different items that we can use to actually cash out your money. Now, the ones that I would recommend, guys, of course, where you can actually get out straight money, which is going to be MasterCard, Payoneer, and PayPal. Now, we can see that if we click into these, Whoopsie, that is not the right way to do this. What we can do is just click into these individually. And you can see if we go to MasterCard, we can cash out £10, which is $13, £25, which is $32, or £50, which is $65. Now, of course, I can't actually go ahead and cash this out as I don't have enough money in my account. But you can see that we can do this with MasterCard. So we have 13 as the bottom limit and 65 as the top limit. Don't worry, guys. Let's imagine that you had $130 in your account. Then all you would have to do is buy 2 of these cards. So that is just the MasterCard section. We then have PayPal right here that goes from $10 all the way up to $250. So that is even better right there. And if you have a PayPal account, then I would definitely recommend cashing this out in PayPal instead. And then the final one is going to be Payoneer. And you can see this goes from $52 all the way up to $252. So pretty similar to PayPal, apart from you can get an extra $2 on top. So as I say, guys, if I was going to cash money out, I would definitely do this with PayPal, as they have the widest selection to choose from. There's also this forum right here that you guys can check out. It's a little bit old and it's a little bit old-fashioned, and I have personally never used it. However, if you would like to find out a little bit more about this website, then it is definitely something you can use. So guys, that is how you can make money on ySense. Now, if you learned something from this video or you found it valuable in any way, don't forget to smash that like button and tap that subscribe button. And until next time, guys, take it easy.